Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome or welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter. And for weeks now, my new obsession is to find ways on how and where to use my polymer clay tiles. I have so much fun making them, so I knew I had to find another project to work on. It's one of your not so typical uses for clay, so let's see if you enjoy this one. First, I roll out my clay into a 5 setting onto my roller. I don't want to make this so thick because I don't want it to be heavy. Then I texture this with some medium grit sandpaper. I cover the clay with some soft plastic and then I use my cutter from Create Along to make these small rounded squares. Now it's time to place some design on each of the tiles. This is really the fun part for me because I get to experiment on the designs that I want. If you've noticed in most of my tutorials, it's not really on making something that's trendy. It's normally what I love making at the moment. I use silicone molds for the flowers that I place at the center of each of the tiles. I use a satin slice to flatten the bottom of the flowers. And I also usually push around the edges of the silicone mold so that I don't deform the flowers. I failed to show in the video that I made holes on each of the corner of the tiles before baking these. I also sealed each one with some Sculpey glaze. Now I am bringing out what I'm actually attaching this to. As an advertising gimmick, a chocolate drink company gave these away at an event. I covered the logo with some fabric paint. Once dried, I sewed each square to the bucket hat. I feel that this will get a lot of use from me for this summer. And that is it for today's tutorial. I hope that I've given you an interesting idea to work on. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!